you didn't respond good morning. Because you didn't even hear me. Okay, I won't hold it against you. Good. Our panel this morning has a rather long and extremely impressive and somewhat whimsical title. Achieving the SDGs through global partnerships. Girls in Africa extending the boundaries of education, technology, and this is the part that I like, girl power. Our wonderful panelists are the indomitable, the totally energetic, the unbelievable Dr. Christiana Okechukwu, who is the Executive Director of Inweli. We have Andrea Anatole. From Inweli, but he's currently studying law here in the States. Philippa Mandabuko from Inweli. Kendall Kyle and Melissa Gilbanks, representing the Purdue Zoning Project, and they'll be, what's Melissa? There we go. They'll be doing a joint presentation. So one will speak and then she'll hand off to the other. So that gives it a little bit of dynamism. And finally, Joy and Emma from Inweli. And you already probably know that Mr. Bruce Knotts, who is the chair of the NGO / UNDPI Executive Committee, will moderate the panel and will also be a discussant. A very impressive assemblage, and I think we can say that we touch at least 3 continents up here this morning. The African continent, the European continent, and America. Great. The full bios of all the panelists are in the program. We are delighted to have in our audience Dr. Joanne Murphy, the president of Global NGO Solutions, and a major behind-the-scenes coordinator of this event. And we also have members of the Purdue Solar team. Where are they? Oh, they're here, okay. And then the audience we'll present a short video about the Inweli project. Immediately following that, Mr. Knotts will continue with the panel. Thanks so much. Welcome and enjoy the presentations.